In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a simple sequential game into its strategic game equivalent. So here we have a sequential game in which Rose moves first, choosing alpha or beta, then Colin moves, choosing left or right, and then Rose moves, choosing A or B, with 8 different outcomes possible. The first thing I need to show you is how I determine that Rose has 8 strategies possible and Colin has 4 strategies possible. So what we're going to start with is Colin, and I will explain for you what a notation RR represents. The first element in this pair is his response to Rose choosing alpha. The second element in this pair is his response to Rose choosing beta. So the strategy, RR, basically is equivalent to Colin saying, I am going to choose right regardless of what Rose does. Conversely, or similarly, the ordered pair RA suggests that Colin's strategy is as follows. If Rose chooses alpha, then I will choose right, and this should be an L. And if Rose chooses beta, I will choose L. So each element is a response to Rose's either alpha or beta. Rose's strategies in this list are constructed in a similar way. Beta, comma, AB represents the following information. This represents her first action. That is, she chooses alpha or beta, and that's what we see here, alphas and betas. This A is in response to Colin choosing L, and this letter is in response to Colin choosing R. Too many letters running around the board. So this entire strategy says, I'm going to choose beta, and if Colin chooses L, then I will choose A, but if Colin chooses R, I will choose beta, B. Okay, that's how we put these strategies together. So how do we play the game when we have 2 strategies? So let's imagine a spot on our grid here, and we want to fill in the payoff. So we just choose the 2 strategies and we implement them. Rose chooses alpha, so we're on the top. Since Rose chose alpha, Colin chooses right, so that puts us here. And in response to right, Rose chooses A, so we're at outcome number 3. Okay, let's do that again. So let's try this outcome pair, this strategy pair. In this strategy pair, Rose chooses beta, okay, and since she chose beta, he chooses right again, and in this pair, she will always choose A, and so we end up at outcome 7. We can fill in the rest of the table in the exact same fashion. So in this video, I've started with a strategic game. In this video, we started with a sequential game. I showed you how to construct the strategies available to each of the players, and we put that into a strategic game form, which we then can calculate the various outcomes for. Thank you.